The Man Lion City Bus is redefining urban transportation with its cutting-edge design, fuel efficiency, and premium comfort. This next-generation bus is engineered to meet the demands of modern cities, ensuring passengers enjoy a smooth and eco-friendly ride. Let's explore its design, technology, interior, and pricing. The front of the Man Lion City Bus boasts a bold and aerodynamic design. The large, curved windshield enhances visibility for the driver while reducing glare. Sleek LED headlights provide excellent illumination, ensuring safety during nighttime travel. The MAN logo is prominently displayed at the center of the grille, emphasizing its premium build quality. The robust bumper design improves durability, making it suitable for frequent urban commutes. Moving to the rear, the Man Lion City Bus features a modern and streamlined look. The taillights are elegantly designed with LED technology for better visibility. The rear bumper is reinforced for added protection, and the centrally placed engine compartment is optimized for easy maintenance. The bus is available in multiple powertrain options, including diesel, hybrid, and electric versions, catering to different operational needs. Step inside the Man Lion City Bus, and you'll immediately notice its spacious and ergonomic layout. The driver's cockpit is designed with an intuitive control panel, ensuring ease of operation. The high-resolution digital display provides real-time information, including speed, fuel efficiency, and diagnostics. The steering wheel is multifunctional, allowing drivers to control essential functions without distraction. The bus is equipped with an advanced air conditioning system to maintain a comfortable environment regardless of external temperatures. The seating arrangement in the Man Lion City Bus is designed for maximum passenger comfort. High-quality, ergonomic seats with ample legroom ensure a pleasant ride. The spacious aisle allows for easy movement, while large panoramic windows offer great visibility and natural light. LED interior lighting creates a bright and welcoming ambiance. The bus also includes USB charging ports for passengers to charge their devices on the go. Towards the rear, the Man Lion City Bus continues its focus on comfort and accessibility. The bus is designed to accommodate standing passengers with sturdy handrails and anti-slip flooring. Wide exit doors ensure smooth passenger flow, reducing boarding and alighting times. The rear section is also equipped with dedicated space for wheelchairs and strollers, making it a fully accessible vehicle for all commuters. Technology plays a crucial role in the Man Lion City Bus. It features advanced safety systems, including an emergency braking system, lane departure warning, and a collision prevention assistant. The bus also includes a real-time fleet monitoring system, allowing operators to track performance and optimize routes efficiently. The electric variant features a powerful battery pack that offers a range suitable for daily urban transit needs. Now, let's talk about the pricing. The cost of the Man Lion City Bus varies depending on the chosen configuration and powertrain. The diesel variant starts at approximately $250,000, while the hybrid model is priced around $300,000. The fully electric version, equipped with high-capacity batteries, is available at $400,000. These prices may vary based on customization, regional taxes, and additional features selected by the operator. Cut to conclusion. The Man Lion City Bus is a perfect blend of modern design, comfort, and sustainability. Whether for urban commuting or long-distance transit, it offers an exceptional experience for both passengers and drivers. With its advanced safety features, spacious interiors, and multiple powertrain options, it stands out as one of the best choices in the market today. Subscribe to MTV Auto for more in-depth vehicle reviews and updates. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Man Lion City Bus. Stay tuned for more exciting content.